Hi guys, 10 AM na dito. Ayan, malamig na talaga siya. Malamig na sa labas and then walang araw. Oh, fog pa rin siya. Foggy morning.
I actually don't think I can watch this video after you guys drop it.
Why?
This is the one video. I don't want to relive that.
If I see like something in the background of the video, just know this video is being released. Like if you guys don't see this video,
Honestly,
if you see this video, you're lucky. I think it was the scariest thing I've ever experienced in my life by far. This new room is definitely putting me
It's
at
an
ease. The
upgrade.
charcuterie board was definitely a plus.
it's an upgrade. If there was no teddy bears in the corner,
Yeah, the
What
teddy bear.
happened?
there was no letters of daddy in it.
Yeah,
What
Like
happened?
right now, it's like what?
Backwards.
2:30 a.m. Like it's.
it's almost 3. Can we finish before it's 3? I get scared at 3. Ellie, it's almost 3.
Oh!
I get scared at how
Careful, ha? Oh.
I'm not ready.
Not ready.
Yeah? Yeah.
He can still balance. Ang laki sa kanya, guys. Pero nababalance pa rin niya. Other one. But for now, no, pare na. Expensive. Happy Tihar, guys. This is our rangoli. Ginawa ng mga staff kanina. And lights. Ayan, Tihar lights. Maganda yan, guys, sa personal. And then may may steps. Steps locks me. Ayan. To let in the good luck. Ayan. Lakshmi Puja today. Lakshmi Puja. Ginawa to ng yung accounting staff tsaka yung spa. Dalawang babae dito sa Kasara. Ayan, o jar. Yes, bulaklak, marigold, then jar, and then ayun, may nalay silang cell roti, and then mga powder, color powder na yan. Ayan, tapos yan, drawing nila mga circle, tapos
Roti.
kandila yan. Ayan, guys. May pa-light sila. Wag na lang ang mag-flash. Ganda. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas eh. Imbis Happy Tihar. Happy Tihar. Happy Diwali sa mga Indians. Tihar dito sa Nepal. Pareho lang, guys. Festival of Lights sa India at dito. Iba lang ata ang date nila doon. Late kami dito. Nag-celebrate na ata ang India. Di ko lang sure. Ayan. Cute. Sa harap din siguro. Ayun, meron din sa harap. Tingnan natin. May mga grupo ng tourist. Ayan, yung kanilang tourist bus. Dapat ganito lahat ng mga bus dito, no? Kahit hindi tourist. 'Di ba? Di masaya sa malinis. Oh. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Oh, Christmas light. Ganda. Nakaka-happy ang lights.
There.
Christmas lights. Yeah. Yung K hindi nilagyan. This one. Meron na rin sa mga bahay-bahay. Ayan. Dito, tsaka dito. Hindi na.
Playing ball. I hear sleep.
Yeah, hindi naglagay yung malaking
Look at
bahay.
the house there and there.
Yeah.
There's house. That's
Oy! The cat in the room is here. Lagi sa labas ng room. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda niya. Nakaka-happy. Ayan. Very nice. Foggy morning, guys. Foggy morning. Start na ang ating winter. Let's go for breakfast. Foggy mornings mean winter na. Pero nung nakaraang araw, ang init-init. Channel scrambled. Sundar. Sunside. After kong nag-yogurt, mag-prutas tayo, guys. And ito ang aking breakfast. Boiled egg, potato, gulay, tsaka white toast with butter. Ayoko na ng brown toast, guys. Hindi masarap. And then watermelon juice. Orange juice sa mga bata. Ant or mosquito? Hi guys, good morning. So may roti ang kasara. Very happy. Masarap siya, guys, kasi malambot. Malambot tsaka crispy. Dito na part. Ayan. So naglagay sila ng ganito sa buffet. Nagluto sila kahapon, di ko na videohan. Ayan. Naubos na yung roti doon. Ayan. Happy Tihar!
Miss Intramurals 2024 from the elementary category is none other than it's canon number 4.